In the electric potential, today we will do relation between electric field intensity and potential gradient. Let capital Q is the source charge whose electric field is capital E. Whose electric field is capital E. Now, at the infinity, charge small q is present and the charge is moving from infinity to a point A. Now, force experienced by charge Q is Q into E. Now, at the point A, electric potential is V, and the point B, electric potential is V plus dV. Now, the difference between the potential between the point A and B, this is dV. This dV is the electric potential difference between the point A and B. Now the charge particle Q is moving from A to B. Displacement is dr. In moving from point A to B, small amount of work done dW equal F dot dr. dW equal F into dr cos 180. Why it is cos 180? Because the charge particle is moving from point A to B, and the direction of electrostatic force of repulsion, it is in this direction. The direction of electrostatic force of repulsion and the direction of motion, they are in opposite direction. Therefore, angle is 180 degree. Now we can write dW minus F into dr. Cos 180 is minus 1. Therefore, work done dW equal minus F into dr. Now put the value of force dW. This is minus Q into E into dr. Now we can write here dW upon Q minus E into dr. According to the definition of electric potential, we know potential is equal to work upon charge. If work done is small, dW, in moving charge Q, then electric potential, that will be dV. Therefore, dV equal minus E into dr, or E equal minus dV upon dr, where dV upon dr is, this is potential upon distance, we can say. This is potential upon length. Any physical quantity divided by length is known as gradient. So this is known as potential gradient. So the relation between electric field intensity and potential gradient is E equal minus dV upon dr. What does negative sign shows here? The negative sign shows here that direction of electric field intensity is in the decreasing potential. Means at the point B, potential is V plus dV. At the point A, potential is V. Now, as we move from the point B to A, electric potential decreases, and from point B to A, this is the direction of electric field. So negative sign shows here that direction of electric field intensity is in the direction of decreasing electric potential. So relation between electric field intensity and potential is E equal minus dV upon dr. Now the next topic is equipotential surface. The surface at which potential remains same, that is known as equipotential surface. इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस के लिए पोटेंशियल हर पॉइंट के ऊपर हमेशा सेम रहेगा. प्रॉपर्टीज इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस के लिए, नो वर्क इज डन टू मूव चार्ज ऑन द इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. सपोज आपके पास इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस आपको गिवन है, उस पर कोई भी टू आपके पास पॉइंट्स है ए और बी. दिस इज पॉइंट ए, दिस इज पॉइंट बी. पॉइंट ए पर पोटेंशियल है वी ए, पॉइंट बी पर पोटेंशियल है वी बी. नाउ according to the definition of electric potential difference VA minus VB, this is W upon. Let the charge Q is moving from the point A to B. Now, VA minus VB, W upon charge Q. This is equipotential surface. So, potential will be same at every point. So, potential at the point A and the potential at the point B, they are equal. VA is equal to VB. So, we can write here VA minus VA is equal to W upon Q. 0 equal W upon Q, or we can say W 0 into Q, therefore W equals to 0. So according to the properties of equipotential surface, no work is done to move the charge on equipotential surface. We have calculated W equal to 0. Now second property is electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface of conductor. We know dW equal E into dr into cos theta. We know work done on the equipotential surface is 0 equal E dr into cos theta, or we can say cos theta equal to 0, or we can say theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, electric field lines are perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Now representation of equipotential surface. For positive charge, electric field line is outward for the positive charge. Now, this is equipotential surface. Concentric circles, these are equipotential surface. Second, for uniform electric field, uniform electric field means electric field lines having same distance between them. Now, these are the electric field lines. This is first equipotential surface. This is second equipotential surface. Next is for electric dipole. Positive charge, negative charge. We know direction of electric field line is positive to negative. This is electric field line, positive to negative. Electric field lines, positive to negative. This is first equipotential surface. Now, second equipotential surface for the positive charge. Third equipotential surface for negative charge. Equipotential surface. Second equipotential surface. And this is third equipotential surface. Between these two, this is neutral point. Fourth, for to equal charge, to equal positive charge, plus Q, and this is plus Q. For the positive charge, electric field line is outward. Electric field line is outward. Outward electric field. This is first equipotential surface, second equipotential surface. third equipotential surface. For positive charge, equipotential surface. This is equipotential surface. Now, in the last, like this.